Hi there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to change Microsoft Windows 10 desktop icon size. Hope you find this guide useful. If you do, please help me out by subscribing to my channel. Okay, so you can see here on the desktop I've got two icons, Recycle Bin and Google Chrome. Sometimes, depending on your resolution, the icons and text might be very small and you can barely read it. So I'm going to show you how you can make it a bit larger. So if you just anywhere on the desktop, just right click and go to view. Then there's three sizes here. You can see it's got the little blue circle, black circle there, sorry, on small icons, which means that that one's selected. So if you want to make it a little bit bigger, click on medium icons. You can see there the icons have gone a bit bigger. So if we just right click again and go view and then large icons, it's made them a bit bigger again. So you might want to try those changes just to see which ones you're more comfortable with. Okay, if you've got any questions about this, please post it in the video below, comment below and I'll help you out. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.